Now that you have your latch installed and you've drilled the hole, always make sure that this area here is on a funnel type shape, so this way the latch and the wire doesn't get caught. There's no burrs. I've countersunk this hole. You could do that by pre-drilling it with a bigger bit just a little ways and then continuing it with a smaller bit all the way through. Even when you have a bigger bit, you can go to the other side and just clean up the burrs with the bit, just by hand. You don't need a drill. Just clean up the burrs, get in there, you have some sandpaper, make it into a little tube, straw-like, bring the drill through and clean up any burrs that are in the hole there. Later on down the road, it's going to prevent this from jamming in the hole. So now you can feed the wire through. And look, no restrictions. There is no hesitation going through, and this will never jam. This hole is very important. Drill it out, clean it, sand it, make it as smooth as possible. Preparation will save you a lot of hassle in the future.